I think residents should come to the University of Florida because we have fun. I think because we're good, because we are going to train them well. I think because they're going to have a good time learning how to be a doctor, learning how to be a surgeon.
All the faculty are here because they want to train the next generation of urologists. We want them to be excited about urology, so we take this all very seriously through a number of different venues where we can teach in a variety of different manners, both through small group discussions, larger group lectures, and one-on-one teaching.
This is meant to be a 360-degree encompassed development program. It's about how to think about problems, how to conduct yourself professionally, how to develop presentations, things that are going to launch you for a career in urology and in medicine. And so we really want to hone everything that we can, develop everything that we can, and launch residents to be the absolute best that they can.
We have a wide and diverse faculty who've trained at multiple institutions for their residency, as well as a variety of fellowships in different subspecialties and in different parts of the country. Our residents receive broad training. They get exposed to a number of different subspecialties. In doing these different subspecialties, they're also exposed to a number of different modalities of operations, which include robotic surgery, transabdominal surgery, transvaginal surgery, transperineal surgery. So they get a wide breadth of both types of surgery they do, as well as the subspecialties of urology.
All of the training environments are located within a 5-minute reach of one another. So you can be at the cancer center or the main hospital, the children's hospital, the clinics, the VA. They're all situated right here on the medical campus. The benefit to having everything in one location is, from a training perspective, you could see any number of diverse pathologies or acuity of pathologies on the same day.
The Department of Urology has a strong culture which allows our residents to freely ask questions, which enhance their training as well as patient care. We have a mentorship model where residents work oftentimes with one faculty member for months at a time.
And the goal is really to provide an immersive, complete exposure to that area of urology.
If you choose our residency program, you'll get faculty who care about you both professionally and personally, as well as colleagues and staff that will be supportive throughout your training.